send from Tonkeeper to Binance. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send from your Tonkeeper account to your Binance account. So first of all, just open your Binance account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you're logged in into your Binance account, just simply click on the deposit section from the top side of the screen. And over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options like deposit crypto, P2P trading, buy crypto, and other options. Just simply click on deposit crypto section from the top menu. And over here you will be able to see a bunch of different options again like deposit crypto, recent deposit, and other details. So in order to transfer the funds from the Tonkeeper account to your Binance account, you need to copy the address and the tag memo from your Binance account. So just select the type of the crypto coin that you would want to transfer from your Tonkeeper account. For example, you want to transfer the Ton coin itself. So just simply click on select coin and select the Ton coin right here. And after that, the Binance account will generate the address and the memo tag for you. And once you get the address and the memo tag on your Binance account in order for the transfer, just simply copy the details from your Binance account, and after that just simply open your Tonkeeper account afterwards. And in order to transfer the money, just make sure that you have some amount of balance in your Tonkeeper account. As you can see that I don't have any balance in my Tonkeeper account because my account is quite brand new right now. So just simply click on send from the home screen itself, and over here under the address or name section you have to paste the address that you have copied from your Binance account right here. Just simply paste the address right here, and you can also enter the comment as per your liking. And once you're done entering the address and the comment, just simply click on continue, and on the next page just enter the amount of the funds that you would want to transfer from your Tonkeeper account to your Binance account and click on continue, and this way the fund will be sent. So this is how you will be able to send from your Tonkeeper account to Binance. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.